Hi, I'm Barry Van Patten II with Russ Lyon Sotheby's Private Client Group. As an Arizona native, I'm excited to introduce you to this awesome build-to-suit opportunity in the coveted Arcadia neighborhood. This beautiful 1-acre lot is nestled at the base of Camelback Mountain, surrounded by some of the best views and amenities the valley has to offer. Enjoy views of Camelback Mountain, downtown Phoenix city lights, and our famous sunsets. Centrally located, the lucky buyers of this 1-acre lot will have quick access to the best in shopping and dining, including Scottsdale Fashion Square, the Biltmore, Scottsdale Quarter, and Kierland Commons. Within minutes, residents have access to 5-star resorts and world-class public and private golf courses. This opportunity, located in one of the country's most sought-after neighborhoods, offers a family feel and is close to the best schools in the valley. Enjoy quick access to professional sports and Sky Harbor Airport. To learn more about this lot opportunity or any of our other opportunities, please call me, Barry Van Patten II, at 602-576-2019.